The following flight will be powered by a mix of hot air from speculative rumors and cold, hard lift from recent developments about Joby Aviation, which is reportedly considering acquiring Blade Air Mobility, a helicopter rideshare operator that offers per-seat trips from New York City to nearby airports and resort towns. This potential acquisition would provide Joby with a ready-made market for its battery-powered air taxis. Although no final decision has been made, and Joby could still opt against pursuing a deal for Blade, the acquisition would align with Joby's goal of expanding its market presence. Conveniently, several videos in the last month were already uploaded about the bullish prospects for Blade Air Mobility, so search them up on the channel after this video. The potential acquisition would allow Joby to tap into Blade's existing market and customer base. With Blade's helicopter services and Joby's electric air taxis, the combined entity could offer a more comprehensive and sustainable transportation solution. However, the deal's outcome remains uncertain, and both companies have yet to comment on the matter. For a more solid story, let's turn to Joby and L3 Harris Technologies collaborating to develop a gas turbine hybrid vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft for defense applications. The partnership aims to create an aircraft designed for low-altitude missions with both crewed and fully autonomous operation capabilities. The companies expect to begin flight testing in fall 2025, with operational demonstrations planned during government exercises in 2026. The collaboration combines Joby's commercial aircraft development program and manufacturing capabilities with L3 Harris' expertise in platform missionization, like sensors, communications, and collaborative autonomy. According to JoBen Bevert, founder and CEO of Joby Aviation, the company has worked closely with the Department of Defense over the past decade to develop dual-purpose technologies and is now ready to demonstrate and deploy them. The new aircraft class could potentially serve various low-altitude support use cases for defense applications. John Rambo, president of Integrated Mission Systems at L3 Harris, noted that the next generation of vertical lift technology enables long-range, crewed-uncrewed teaming for a range of missions. Joby is currently developing a gas turbine hybrid powertrain for its S4 aircraft platform and has demonstrated aircraft-level autonomy following its acquisition of Swing's autonomy division in June 2024. The S4 aircraft is an electric VTOL designed as an air taxi for urban air mobility, capable of carrying one pilot and 4 passengers. With this collaboration, Joby and L3 Harris aim to deliver urgently required innovation by missionizing VTOL aircraft for defense needs. The partnership is expected to leverage Joby's expertise in electric VTOL technology and L3 Harris' experience in platform missionization to create a new class of aircraft for defense applications. Humans, always thinking of how to militarize any machine. Even a magnificent electric bird. Sigh. On a more peaceful note, back on the civilian side, Joby Aviation's founder, JoBen Bevert, believes that the era of flying cars is imminent, with the company planning to initiate commercial passenger service in cities like Dubai, New York, and Los Angeles next year. According to Bevert, the current stage of flying cars is similar to the early automotive industry, where cars were hand-built and produced in small quantities. Despite the promising advancements, Bevert acknowledges the challenges related to regulatory approvals, particularly the Federal Aviation Administration's rigorous certification process, which the company has been navigating since 2018. Joby has made significant progress in recent months, including a recent test flight in Dubai and the announcement to double aircraft production capacity in Marina, California. The company is also expanding its manufacturing footprint, with facilities in California and Ohio, and has received significant support for its expansion, including grants and equipment cost reductions. According to Eric Allison, Chief Product Officer at Joby, the expanded manufacturing footprint is preparing the company to reimagine urban mobility with speed, scale, and precision manufacturing. The expanded Marina site is expected to produce up to 24 aircraft per year and will provide capabilities including initial FAA production certification, conforming ground and flight testing components, pilot training simulators, and aircraft maintenance. Joby's production challenges are distinct from those of traditional automotive firms, with a focus on making a crucially important aircraft rather than mass production at this stage. Then to the geopolitical front. Shifts like executive orders from the US and China may expedite Joby's path as electric air taxis gain recognition as a strategic industry. All plausible reasons that could whip up some serious tailwinds for Joby.